Have you ever pondered what would happen if we discovered an acid so powerful that it could dissolve anything and everything in its path? A universal solvent, an unstoppable force, a metaphorical agent of unrelenting transformation? Welcome to the concept of the universal acid of knowledge. Imagine being a young boy, let's call him Austin, in a chemistry class. In a bold yet unfortunate experiment, Austin mixes two compounds and inadvertently creates an unstoppable acid. Nothing can contain it. The acid consumes the container, the laboratory floor, and even bores through the earth to the other side. This little tale mirrors the profound effects of acquiring knowledge, particularly when we uncover the truth about our own biochemical electric nature. This realization, akin to the universal acid, can leave us feeling astounded and transformed. It dissolves the familiar structures of our understanding, much like our imaginary acid dissolved the laboratory floor. The universal acid of knowledge has a voracious appetite, consuming superstitions, folktales, and myths. It's an enlightenment that can't be contained. And yet this transformative process isn't necessarily a calamity. Yes, the universal acid of knowledge can dissolve our preconceptions, leaving us initially adrift in a sea of new understanding. But this doesn't mean we're left bereft. We are still beings of emotion, personality, and potential. We're not simply biochemical machines devoid of meaning or purpose. The universal acid of knowledge doesn't diminish us. It enhances our perspective, allowing us to see ourselves and the world around us in a new light. This light of knowledge, like our universal acid, continues to shine and dissolve barriers. It beckons us to explore the uncharted territories of understanding, to venture into the dark alleys of the unknown, armed with our newfound insight into the human condition. So what have we discussed today? We've explored the metaphor of the universal acid of knowledge, an unstoppable force that transforms our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. This acid dissolves superstitions and myths, leaving in its wake a clearer, albeit initially unsettling, perspective. But like Austin in his chemistry class, we're not left in ruin. Rather, we're gifted with a new lens through which to view the world, a lens that reveals endless possibilities for exploration and understanding. Remember, knowledge is power, and like our universal acid, it's an unstoppable force for transformation. It might initially unsettle us, but ultimately it sets us free to explore the complexities of our existence and the world around us. So, keep learning, keep growing, and embrace the universal acid of knowledge.